What's up guys, it's Sarah, and this is my studio. So I'm getting some reports that maybe my sticker template isn't working for some reason, and I thought I would go ahead and just sort of record me going in and checking, and if there ends up being a problem, then I can just kind of sort of throw this unedited up for you guys and let you know that I'm going to try and work on a solution. I haven't made stickers in a little while. I'm balancing a lot of stuff here. So let's see if I can figure out what's going on. Okay. So I've got my template printed out here on my sticker sheet. This is the one that I designed to hopefully replicate the one that Cricut's got. So, and then I've just got a couple spare sheets of stickers on effectively plain computer paper, so I'm not wasting. And it sounds like we printed. So let me grab that one real quick. All right, so I've got two to play with. I've got my cereal eater here, and then I got Dumpster Fire Rainbow Kitty. So I'll print it out. I know some of you guys asked about the black squares. Over here in Cricut, if I flip over to my screen sharing, there we go. If I flip over to my screen sharing here, this is the sheet. These black squares help tell Cricut this document size as being 8.5 by 11 for the cut. But it doesn't really matter if they're showing up on this sheet because Cricut isn't even looking at this sheet. So if they get cut off on the edges, that's okay. It does not matter that they are being cut off on the edges. Okay, so don't worry about that. So I've got that 8.5 by 11 print and cut set. It's freaking out because it's too large. I'm going to change my page size, and we are working on a tablet. Go done, and then we're gonna go make. There we go, 8.5 by 11. All right, load on the mat. It's only gonna let me load to one size. So again, snap up to the left corner. We're gonna go continue, and I've already printed it. And this is just gonna be copy paper, default pressure. So I am ready to load. So back over here, so I've got my sheet and I've got my mat. I'm gonna get things lined up. All right, so we got it lined up. So let's go over and see how this cuts. Okay, so I have got my Cricut up and ready to go. I've got my mat, so let's see what's going on. Popping this in. So actually, this looks pretty good, guys. So let me peel off the excess. Yeah, actually, this looks pretty good. That looks pretty dead on using the template method. So I am using the beta version, admittedly. I wonder if that's playing a role since I'm using the beta version. But the print and cut method worked no problem. I mean, it says there's a new design space ready to be installed. So I wonder if that's going to play a role. Let me run an update. Just go ahead and install now. And let me see if maybe that is the issue that's going on. I don't know. That was the previous version. So I've got a different one. I've got a copy of my Dumpster Fire Rainbow Kitty. So let me grab that one. It should be sitting in here somewhere. Oh, scroll through all my stuff. If not, I'll just pull it in like normal. I'll just grab a new one. All right, so go into my browse, grab my sticker sheets, full page, dumpster fire, open. Yep, that's the one I need. Continue, continue. Gonna do flat graphic, upload. Here we go. All right, print then cut. Size is 11, so we got 8.5. Okay, I'm gonna go to make, drag and drop again. Always dragging and dropping to that upper corner. Hit continue. Already printed. So let's get edit over here on my mat. I'm sure I've got these all lined up. All right, so I've got that one installed and set up. Let's make sure this is working now since I ran the new update. All right. Well, this looks pretty accurate too. Yeah, these are kind of what they typically turn out. I mean, this is actually pretty good. These, like, on rare occasions, I'll get a little bit of like a move, like a wiggle if I don't have the paper perfectly aligned, but this is working. So I'm not entirely sure why a lot of people are starting to have issues with it. I just demoed it, and I demoed it after doing an update. I mean, like I said, I am over here on the beta version. I'm on version 9.7268. Am I missing an update? Like, is there more than... Nope. That is the newest version, and it is working. The beta version is working. I mean, the live version, I can flip over to the live version and see if I'm having a problem. It's going to have to, I mean, obviously I'm going to need to download and run an update, but the beta version was working. Usually I almost always work in the beta version, truth be told. So again, I got the sheet, it reopens everything, size-wise, 8.5 by 11. So I should, again, drag and drop. Click continue, already printed, copy paper, load in the machine, and let's see what happens. All right, new sheet. Again, line this up, line it up. And again, these are coming out exactly the way they're supposed to. I mean, right on. So, I mean, I believe you guys. I know, I believe that we're having problems. I just don't know what's going on because it's not like I reprinted that jig recently. That jig's been sitting on my mat for a while. I tried the beta software. I tried the regular software, at least the latest updates. Everything seems to be lining up. As to why like jigs are suddenly breaking, I really don't know. I'm drawing a blank, honestly, because I mean this was, I mean, as you guys can see, I mean this is pretty darn dead on. I mean, I always kind of put a border on because I mean it's a Cricut. I don't expect it to be 100% accurate, but I mean that's actually pretty centered, a little bit better than I get most of the time. So I'm not really sure what's going on issue wise. I mean, definitely make sure you're printing things at 100%. One of the ways to do it would be to print it out through Affinity. I've suggested that to one user where they go and click print, and then in Affinity you're given the ability to put the actual scale, and you can type in 100% and that'll center, and then the document. They were trying to print the jig, but that, you know, correctly sizes things. That would be about my only suggestion. But beyond that, I'm not seeing any issues, so I'm not entirely sure even to go where about troubleshooting with this. I wish I had more to go on. because I don't know. I cannot seem to replicate the error. Maybe leave some comments below about what specifically, like what system you're running, what seems to be the exact error, why it's not working, and all of that. And I can see if I can try and troubleshoot from there a little bit. In the meantime, if you're not subscribed to my channel and you want to stay updated on this and whether or not I post an update, be sure to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and like this video if you can to tell the Eldritch algorithm that this was helpful, or at least that I'm trying to be helpful. And I will see you guys soon, hopefully with a solution. Bye.